All right, so question number 24, we are looking for the critical value t-test for two-tailed, and we have the n equals to 24 and the alpha is going to be 0.01. All right, so let's get into the problem. Let's try to make a drawing and try to understand it, right? All right, so what we're required to do here, I'm going to be using the calculator, so a graphing will definitely help. So this is my t distribution here, this is my t bell shape, and the middle, of course, is going to be the mean 0. All right, now if I am having a two-tailed distribution, it means I have one tail on the right and I have another tail on the left, and they are both symmetrical, they are equals to each other. Now the alpha that I have here is going to be split in two, so the totality of both of them here is going to be alpha equals 0.01. all right, so that's the sum of both of them. It means that only one side is going to contain alpha divided by 2, which is 0.01 divided by 2, and this is going to be 0.005. all right, similarly here I'm going to get alpha over 2, which is equal 0.005. Now for the calculator, you need this tailed, the left tail here, and you need the degree of freedom. So if I have n equals to 24, degree of freedom would be n minus 1, and that's going to be 23. Now what are the critical values? As you see here, every tail having a critical value. So this is one of the critical value, t critical. All right, and this is again another critical value, so another t critical, and the both values, they can be symmetrical to each other. All right, so let's try to find them. So the easiest one to find is obviously this one, because I have already this tail, the left tail in here. All right, and I have a degree of freedom, and the way to do it on the calculator is to go to second and then vars, that's distribution, and you go number 4, which is an inverse t distribution. Enter. So they're gonna ask you about the area, and that the left tail area, which is this one here, 0.05, so it's gonna be 0.005, and you're gonna put a degree of freedom, which is 23, and that's it. Enter, paste, and this is going to give you minus 2.807 and 3. All right, for the t-table, the table is giving you 3 decimal places, so always round to 3 decimal places. So it's going to be minus 2.807. Now, knowing this left side is minus 2.807, therefore the right side is going to be the reflection of it, which is 2.807. And you get both t values. So let's go and plug them in. So here you're going to be two of them. One is minus 2.807, and the other one you're going to be 2.807. Double check, okay, and check it. All right, that's correct.